Hello everybody! Today is the day to clean the 1982 GE side-by-side. This one's a lot easier because I could just simply slide it over here to the back door, open that and blow everything out the door. So I'll take the kick plate off. Really all not too dirty this year, so good to see that. I'll go ahead and clean these up. I just happen to have this spray handy, so that's what I'm going to use. That's why I like these older refrigerators. You can take the trays out and clean them, as opposed to the new ones where you just kind of have to do the best you can. Sure if I can get those deposits with the toilet bowl cleaner. Let's give it a shot. You just want to make sure it is rinsed thoroughly. And then the decorative kick plate. And then those can dry. My air compressor is charged, so it's time to go get the fridge moved. That was the ice pack I've been looking for. I think that's the only oddball that has fallen down. Put that in there. Very carefully remove this cardboard back cover and see what we're getting into this year. Really not bad, considering. Yeah, not too bad. I'll bring the camera outside when I push the fridge back to the back door and then get to see the satisfying dust blowing out. So what I'm doing now is just doing a little quick wipe down everything, making sure no wires are rubbing. I need to see if I can find some of that fiber tape and redo that. But everything appears to be the same as it was last year. Just want to make sure that capillary line's not rubbing on anything. That's got rubber on it, so that'll be all right there. Don't want it rubbing on that fan bracket either. Don't want to rub a hole in it and lose all my precious R12. So I think it's about time to put the back cover back on this and see if we can get a compressor startup sound. Take the back cover and very gently give it a dust off. Guess I'm going to have to make a reproduction one pretty soon out of something. Back cover is back on. All back in position. Ready to plug it back in. So all back in position, all set back up, and hopefully we've got a good compressor start sound. So this has been cleaning the 1982 GE side-by-side refrigerator for 2025. Thank you for watching.